Okay, welcome back to our formative assessment test of equations and for our standard extended class, and we are looking now at question 4. So this is the fourth video in solving these questions. So we need to write an algebraic equation for the following statement. So the sum of a number and 5. So a number and 5, let's have a look. A number and 5, I'm going to call that number and 5 x plus 5. A number and 5 is doubled. So how do we double a number and 5? Okay, so it's going to be doubled. So it's times by 2. So there we have is doubled. Okay, it's the same as, so it's equal to the difference of, okay, so the difference of, that's going to tell us that we have got a minus, okay? So we've got a minus. Treble the number, so that's 3 times that number. So it's 3 times x, okay, and negative 4. So we're minusing negative 4. Okay, that looks pretty good so far. Now, we just need to deal with that minus negative 4. So just look at that question as well. It's the difference between treble a number and negative 4. So it's a bit tricky. It's a negative. So that's why you're possibly wondering, why is there a negative? So it's the difference between treble a number and negative 4. Okay, let's now simplify a little bit. So we've got 2x plus 5, and that equals 3x plus 4. Excellent. So we have actually, we've written an algebraic equation. So we've solved that one. 2 marks. 1 for the answer, 1 for working out. Now we need to find that number. Okay. So how do we find the number? So I'll just rewrite that question, the answer of the previous one. So 2x plus 5 is equal to 3x plus 4. Okay, so whenever you see brackets, you want to expand them. So we're going to expand 2 times x and expand out 2 times 5. And so that will give us 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times 5 is 10. And so that will equal 3x plus 4. Okay, now we need to do an inverse operation to remove the 3x from the right-hand side of the equal sign. So we're going to minus that amount from both sides. So 2x, and then now on the left-hand side, minus 3x. So that's minus x plus 10 equals 4. Now we want to remove the positive 10 from the left-hand side of the equal sign. So we're going to minus that from both sides of the equal sign. And so now we've got, on the right, we've got 4 minus 10. So that's minus 6. Next, we need to divide both sides. So we're now doing another inverse operation. We're going to divide both sides by minus 1. Okay, which, because we had minus x, is minus 1x. So we're dividing by minus 1. And that will give us x is equal to 6. So we've solved question 4. Okay, that one's worth 2 marks. So we've got 1 for our answer, and then we've got another mark for our working out. So that was question 4.